What's up, muscle car people? This is Brilliant Muscle Cars and I'm Matt. If you watched yesterday's video, you saw that I was pretty much crying at the track. It was pretty sad. I was upset. Hopefully we can fix the problem today. Come here, zoom in. We'll show the people what we're gonna do. Man, I don't know if we can do it or not. We're gonna remove this pulley and we're gonna tighten it because I'm assuming that the belt is slipping. We're hoping that the belt is slipping, but man, this looks pretty tight already. All right, so step one, we gotta remove the coolant tank. So here we go. Now we have to get to this tensioner down here and move the tensioner, push it down, push it forward. That way we can release the tension on the belt and hopefully remove it. Kenny, you ready?
So, which pulley am I adjusting?
You're taking this, you're just taking the belt off.
Oh, I'm taking it off?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But it's, we're not going to be able to get it off. So, we got to take this bracket off.
Oh, that again?
It out. Bad news is it's all the way down. Good news is this is 3.5 inches and we have a 4-inch. That's our only hope for today. So let me get the 4-inch. Alright, so this is a different brand. This is a Metco. This is actually what came on my car when I bought it. And so bigger means more tension. As you can see, this was on when we had the VMP and we had belt slipping issues then. Is this one going to be better? I don't know, let's hope, right? That's all we can do. So what we got for today, so this is what we're going to do.
Are you just going to put that one on or transfer the...
No, just transfer the pulley. Just easier that way. I'll hold it. You use that end to loosen it. No, the other end. Ratchet. Alright, so we're going to loosen it. Bolt 19mm.
You're supposed to hold it.
I know, man. Dang. I got it.
Entertaining.
You sure you were loosening it? What?
Not moving out of the way.
Well, it's moving now.
Oh, because it's 2 setups.
Whatever, I got it. I'm just saying I got mine. Oh man. Why don't we have like a vice or something?
I was gonna say, don't you have one of those?
There we go. Or we just use my muscles.
It's
That's supposed to make you laugh. I don't have any. It's okay.
And it takes 2 to tango.
Oh my gosh.
Now we got to do the reverse operation.
Didn't get me that time.
Let's get the easy one in first. All right, so we got it all changed, and now we're gonna put the belt back on. Ready?
Yep. Keep going.
I would say it's definitely harder to get the belt on when it came off.
What up?
All right, now let's check it. Looks like it's a little off.
I can't tell if it's a tooth off or not.
Here, shine the light down here. We're off the pulley down there.
Okay.
See it? Right this right here.
Yep. Okay.
There, that looks a lot better.
Start her up.
All right, so we got the belt back on. I'm gonna start her up, see if it stays on. Hopefully it doesn't break. And then we're gonna go to the track tomorrow, or today. When you watch it, it's gonna be today. We're gonna go to the track and we're gonna see if I cry, get rid of the car, or if we're happy with it.
We're going to go to the track on the next episode.
Yeah, we're going to the track on the next. We're going to the track on the next episode. All right, so essentially we're dumbasses, and we made it 100 times harder to do that than it needed to be, but we had never done it before, and now we have. So come here. So when you do this, basically you just have to remove that nut. You don't have to remove the other stuff. Just remove that nut, and then you can change that pulley.
Original design was going to move it, not switch pulleys.
Yeah. Yeah, originally we were gonna move it, but if you're not moving it, you can just do it from there. So, lesson learned, that's something we can remember next time. And so, stay tuned for the next video to see if it worked, or if I cry, or we'll see what happens. I might cry. I hope not. I'm tired of crying on camera. So, alright, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Did this help you? If you got a fast car, you better bring it. Thanks for watching.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to link a couple more videos that if you like this one and you made it all the way to the end, you're going to definitely like these. So watch them. Also, that middle button right there, I think is probably, somewhere in there. Hit that button to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more action.